stars, where whispers hide. Your hand in mine, the world feels wide. We share the quiet, spoke through our eyes. In that soft moment, love's first rise. You're the only one, the reason I breathe. Every heartbeat, a secret you leave. When hearts collide, there's no turning back. The love we share fills every crack. Like waves on shore, it crashes inside. You hold my...
Ako si Utoy, dating lulong, pero ngayon ay tumutulong. Sa tagal natin di nagkita, halos wala na kayong makita. Umpisa na natin nang inyo nang makita.
The Philippine National Anthem, followed by doxology, to be led by PUP Bagong Himig Serenata.
Please remain standing. Associate Professor Rolando M. Coverno Jr., University Board Secretary, carrying the base of the university. Mabuhay PUP!
Carmona Ashley Nicole, magna cum laude.
Balik po muna natin ang dahan-dahan, kasi dati rin po akong magna eh.
PUP Advance 2024. Recessional.
Picture tayo, wala pa tayong picture.
Yung picture ah.
Ano ba? Oo, yan.
Every dawn, paint the skies with just one
Ang
glance.
dami doon.
Like my life, I chase
Ay,
your
nakafix
smile.
yung ano ko.
I fall each time.
Sino gumawa? Pinagawa mo to?
Mami mo gumawa niya.
Na! Okay, no. Napinis mo.
Me alive with every touch.
Picture mo.
Stars align.
Picture mo.
When hearts collide, there's no turning back. The love we share fills every crack. Like waves on shore, it crashes inside. You hold my soul when hearts collide.
Madyaw!
May tawag ka sa view.
Si Imo.
Bayaran mo yung parking, 40 lang din. Huwag mo sisigaw na, huwag mo nalimitan. Kayo.
Hey! Play. Play ka dyan? Hoy!
Ikaw, maganda na.
Makakasakit na yung celebrator!
Medyo kalima.
4 lang. Nauna pa sila sa atin, puta na oh. Nauna pa sila sa atin oh. Si Asing! Asing! Nauna pa sila sa atin oh. Kumain pa to. Kumain pa oh.
Beneath the stars, where whispers hide.
Magna cum laude to! Magna cum laude! Magna cum laude, sir! Magna cum laude!
That soft moment, love's first rise. You're the only one, the reason I breathe. Every heartbeat, a secret.
What is more important to you, beauty or intelligence? The most obvious answer would be to choose intelligence because beauty is subjective. We are viewed differently by different people. However, I believe that I don't have to choose between the two because I possess both.
In every dawn, you paint the skies with just one glance. You light my life. I chase your smile. I fall.